Hi, this is KKR Sir Biology, NEET faculty. Now we are discussing about the PCR. PCR means polymerase chain reaction. Amplification of gene of interest using by PCR. What requirement for the PCR? 2 marks question, even NEET question also. A small DNA fragment, I repeat, a small DNA fragment. 2 chemically synthesized oligonucleotide primers. How many primers? 2 primers. Then Thack DNA polymerase means it is extracted from Thermus aquaticus bacterium, which is thermostable. 4th one, 4-deoxyribonucleotides and Mg2+. How many DNA fragments required? A small. A means only 1. How many primers required? 2 primers required. Okay na? How many deoxyribonucleotide required? 4. Thank you.